everybody, I am Laura and I'm the video producer for House Beautiful. And I have a confession to make. You know that drawer that you always throw crap into, that you'll say, oh maybe next week I'll fix it, but then weeks turns into months and they turn into years and it's just still there? Well, this week I wanted to tackle organization because due to the fact that we're going to be stuck in our homes for we don't know how long, it's the best time to do it. So I wanted to start with my kitchen, and because almost everything is closed at the moment, I wanted to use things that I already had at home. So in our previous apartment we had a couple of Ikea elements like a pot rack and a spice rack and the silverware divider, and I figured today is the day to make that happen. That black hole drawer needs to disappear. So let's get to it. Mark, why are you still on the floor? This is our kitchen. As you can see, it doesn't look that bad from here. But then you open this. Then you open that. And it kind of looks like crap. It's pretty embarrassing, especially working at House Beautiful. We recently moved and we had this in our previous apartment but never found a proper wall to do it, so this just gives us the chance to do that. And I also had gotten this for like the spices from Ikea, also had never used, but I think it's a good idea to just fix that awful drawer. So I'm gonna install this and see how our life changes a little bit. We're gonna grab this guy and just figure out where you want to place it and mark the spots where you'll be drilling in. That totally moved. There we go. Now that's all set up, we're gonna put this little guy in. So now that this beautiful thing is set up, let's start setting up the spices. So these guys came with the rack for the pans, so I figured I could use it for my measuring cups. That way they're super accessible, as well as my teaspoon. So here we go. So now that the spices are done, let's get ready to do this guy. It came with a bunch of little hooks, so we'll see how it goes. How I want to go about it is put all the heavy pots at the top and then do a layer of the bigger pans, the smaller pans, and then maybe the little smaller elements here and there. My sister will laugh about this, but I always burn my hands no matter what, even though I try to be super cautious about it. So I'll put this little hook in the corner that have things for when they're hot. Next is that awful drawer. I cannot deal with it. So I got this guy that you can get at the Container Store or at Ikea, and this guy that you can also get at Ikea and or the Container Store. For this next part of the video, I'm gonna be painting these parts of the backsplash. Maybe when the landlord was setting it up, he left some stains, some glue. I really don't know what it is, but might as well tackle on it since we're already readjusting the whole kitchen. So I put painter's tape over so that when I paint it doesn't have any splash paints or whatever, and it just stays intact. that was a great experience. And I was a little bit overwhelmed at the beginning because I thought it was going to be a lot, but it wasn't that complicated. And I'm very happy aesthetically how everything works. Tonight we'll find out how it all really works out together. But at least we're organized, and that's always good to say. So bye-bye, black hole. Next episode, I am going to be rearranging the furniture in my bedroom. We kind of set it up the way that we did when we first moved in, and I would never felt at ease with it. So let's see how moving it around feels. Maybe I'll end up back in the same place, but we shall see. Anyways, thank you for tuning in. Please subscribe to our show, and see you next week.